I have a doll's house at home, and one of my favourite things to do is to collect furniture for it or little accessories for it when I'm travelling. And I just wanted to also, let's give a massive hand of applause to Jim. Wasn't he amazing? And he was so sweet because we've been sort of, playing together for the last 3 gigs. And as I suppose a thank you, and he didn't really need to thank me at all because I think he's bloody great. He got me a little breakfast set with like two breakfast. It was, let's see, what was it? It was scrambled eggs, baked bacon, and I think there was also French toast. I love French toast. So all my dolls in my doll's house are now sorted for breakfast. Thanks to Jim. And this is aptly called Toy Collection. I will not sell my toy collection. If I did, I would weep. Who's to say what you need, what you don't? On a desert island, there the things are key. Some children had their parents feed them stories. Well, I heard mine directly from the source. Captain Kirk shared his tales and glories while fighting a deadly force. Who's to say when you get older you don't need a toy collection? Who's to say when you get older that you have to follow convention? Blackbeard told me of his troubled mother, and with his songs he'd sing me off to sleep. And he said Superman was my real father, and they gave me dreams that I still keep. Who's to say when you get older you don't need a toy collection? Who's to say when you get older that you have to follow convention? La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.